Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on comments on YouTube as a viewer. So first step you need to do is to open incognito window and search for the YouTube. So I'm going to show you the process, and here you need to search for kids videos. Okay, and you need to open any video. So I'm going to open this video, and here you can see comments are turned off, so you simply need to click here learn more. And here you can see the video owner select the setting to disable comments. So the first thing is that maybe a creator disable the comments. Second is thing is that the channel or video audience is set as made for kids. This is the second issue. And you or your system administration have turned on restricted mode. Make sure that your restricted mode is turned off. Comments on automatically generated art track are turned off if the primary artist doesn't have an official artist channel. So this is another issue. YouTube may have turned off comments on some content for safety reasons, like to protect minors or for other safety violations. So these are the issues that why you are facing the issue. And make sure that you use YouTube with your own account so that you do not face this issue of comments off. And by following this step, you can simply turn on comments on YouTube as a viewer. I hope you like this video. Thank you.